What's up guys, Artillboy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Swiss m1957. Let's begin. Now this bayonet is made in... Now this one is a much more later model. And this actually started in production in 1958 to I think 1984 to be exact. And you can probably know for a lot of reasons. And this is actually meant to be, designed for, you guessed it, the Sturmgewehr 57. If you don't know who that one is, that is actually the Swiss model for, you guessed it, the F and FAL. The Belgian FAL, alongside with the Germany G3. And this one's in particular is a later model, because this one right here has a V marked onto it. Now, there's actually two of them actually made. One by, you guessed it, Victorinox. Yeah, the Victorinox. The Swiss Army knife Victorinox. Let's see. Like, this particular Victorinox. Yeah. That Victorinox. And when it's also having Wagger, that's basically, or Wagger, that's from a different company. It definitely will have is the F or WF on there with a plus onto it. Yeah, this is another one. This one has an M, or yeah, an M on that one. Now, for the scabbard itself, this one's made by UTZ, which is have a big old hard plastic. Unfortunately, the one I had don't have a frog, but also has a piece of steel right inside of it. You can take it out with a flathead screw. This one has, probably have, no, I think that might be a P right on top of it. It also have like a hole inside of it for something to drain out the blade from water. Now for the blade itself, it has the lug onto it to put onto the barrel of the rifle. And of course, this is the release section of it. Something like that. The steel is made out of, I guess, stainless steel. It's double-edged. Like, double-edged to it. But it's basically like I have a big old piece of, like, unsharpened steel to right here. It's just really... It's pretty much of a small blade, I guess. But, for that long, I could probably know that probably would work. Of course, it's have like you can take off these flathead screws to basically to disassemble it with a long piece of plastic onto the thing. So the tang itself is probably in here to there, like right here, because of the lug piece going to be put inside of it. So the size on the blade is around about 9.5 inches. Meal for the handle is around about 5/4. Meal for the overall size of this bayonet is around about 14.5 inches. So let's get to the size comparison. So the Swiss bayonet is bigger than the Special Forces Parker cutlery, but unfortunately it's dwarfed by the SZ Co. CX. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is unfortunately not that good. I mean, I actually really strike pretty hard on this thing, which you can, and that's like normal on a water bottle itself. Yeah, for this one, I had to like stab it and then testing out the edge, chopping through the thing. Yeah, pretty badly damaged on it. Like, you're not really gonna get a lot of like straight clean cuts, but you could probably know that it will like more like for penetration wise. So I'm actually gonna be doing something quite interesting, and these are pretty much on some of the bayonets I need to do. I'm actually gonna test it on paper and how really sharp it is, which I did sharpen these, believe it or not. It did well, but not like... It did well, as you can probably know. So, I'm giving the Swiss bayonet an astounding of, let's see, a 7 out of 10. It's a not bad bayonet. It's not really, you know, crappy construction. It's actually a pretty durable piece to have. So that wraps up of the Swiss bayonet. I'm Artillboy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.